A day in my life as a crafter. Let's make eyeglasses strap. Another colorful designs with Avengers theme beads. And here are the materials that I will use. I will use clamshells for beads, scissors, plier, beads, Avenger beads, string wire, silicone eyeglasses holder, and ring wire. And I will use adhesive glue to lock my knot. My own measurement is 24 inches or 2 feet. Nagpasobra tayo dito ng konti para if ever meron tayong mali, we can adjust the string. By the way, you can use nylon also for the string. At first, insert the clamshell to your string. Then, I double knot the string. So, magtatagalog na tayo guys, no? Hindi ko na kaya mag-English. So, ayan, binuhol na natin ng double. Tapos, bigyan natin siya ng adhesive glue. So, hilahin lang natin siya. And, naglagay ako ng adhesive glue. So, optional ito guys. Pwede nyong bigyan ng anything na para matibay ang ating knots. Let it dry for a few minutes and insert na natin or higpitan na natin ang ating clamshell. In my case, naglagay na tayo ng ring sa ating dulo. So, it's up to you kung gusto nyo nang bigyan or hindi. So, ayan, pwede na natin insert ang mga gusto natin, mga designs na beads. For me, ang aking pattern is 10 beads, then insert ko na ang accent na beads. Like this, in this video is Avengers. Kapag nakarating ka na sa dulo ng ating strap, then same procedure do sa first step. Insert the ring and isabay mo na yung silicone holder. And here's the result of my project. Then I want to show you how to use or insert these to your eyeglasses. So ganito lang siya. Adjustable naman siya guys. Pwede na siya as a gift or souvenirs or pwede na rin natin siya ibenta guys. You can sell this as 100 pesos above. Depende sa materials mo. And here are the other projects that I made few weeks ago. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!